Hi guys, and welcome to Tekara Presents. If it is your first time here, welcome, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Listen, today I have a special recipe for you guys. I'm going to show you how to make vegan blueberry pancakes. So this goes for all of my plant-based people. We're going to make some homemade, delicious blueberry pancakes. If you want to see how we make them, just stick around. Alright, so here are the ingredients we are going to need. First up, we have flour, all-purpose flour. We have soy milk. You can use any plant-based milk that you want, so you can use oat milk or almond milk. We have a couple of blueberries. Same with the plant-based butter. You can use any brand you like. Of course, I have Country Crock here. We have sugar, baking powder, vegetable oil, pure vanilla extract. Please make sure you are using 100% pure vanilla extract, not the imitation stuff. Ground cinnamon, salt, and a few measuring cups. Alright, so first up we are going to get our batter mixed together. You want to measure out 2 tablespoons of the butter and get it melted off. Set that to side so it can cool. And then we're going to go ahead and mix our dry ingredients together, and then we'll add in our wet ingredients. I do split the blueberries in half or quarters depending on how big or small they are. You can also leave them whole if you want. That's completely your preference. Just wait until you mix your batter together very well before you add the berries in, because if you mix it up too much, it will kind of turn your batter blue and you don't want that. So yeah, we're going to get this all mixed in, and then we're going to go ahead and head on over to the stove. Alright, so make sure you get some vegetable oil spray, some Pam spray, some cooking spray, some kind of spray, or use a non-stick pan, because if you do not, your pancakes will stick and we don't want that. Okay, so I use a 1/3 cup measuring cup to measure out the batter, and you can fit about 3 in a pan depending on your pan size, of course. But you just do this like you would do any old regular pancake mix. You wait for those bubbles to pop up, wait for them to get good and golden brown, delicious, and you flip them. All right, these pancakes I actually make them for my son because he can't have any eggs and he's a little vegan baby. But so I freeze them. You can keep them in the freezer. You literally just take one out, throw it in the microwave for like 30 seconds, hit it in the toaster for a little bit until it gets back crispy, and then they're good as fresh. Okay, so yeah, you make sure that you are getting them nice and crispy and golden and not burning them. And you wipe your pan out between batches. Go ahead, and so that you don't have those little burnt brown bits in there, and we're good. All of the ingredients will be listed, all of the measurements will be listed in the description box below. If you use it, it should make you about 6 to 8 pancakes dependent on the size that you choose to make. But they are so delicious. Look at them, golden brown, crispy, buttery. They come out so good. Alright, so here are our pancakes when they are all done. They are so good, and trust me, if you're looking for a bomb vegan recipe, egg-free, dairy-free pancakes, this is the one for you. I'm just going to garnish it with a little bit of berries. Be my guest to pour as much syrup or agave nectar as you want. You can also go ahead and add some coconut whipped cream. Do it up. These pancakes are so good. They freeze really well. They hold really well. Like I said, you can just warm them up, pop them in the toaster, defrost them in the mic, pop them in the toaster, and have at it. If you like this recipe, please, if you try it, come back and let me know. Leave a comment. Tell me how it turns out for you. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all again next time. Take care.